Here's a quick summary of what information you may want to include when you launch a design contest on Cad Crowd. On the launch contest page, if you click this link, it'll show you how to launch a contest. There's prompts as you click through the different fields to explain what each of the fields mean. As far as the project summary, it's great if you can include as much detail as possible, including the dimensions of the designs, the overall aesthetic and appearance, the material that will be used for the end use of the design, such as manufacturing, construction, and that sort of thing, and any color preferences for your designs. Also explain the end use of your designs, whether it's 3D rendering for marketing materials, plans for a new prototype, designs for manufacturing or 3D printing, blueprints for construction, and that sort of thing. In addition, we recommend you ask for any specific deliverables, whether it's 2D drawings, 3D CAD models, 3D rendered files, and that sort of thing. In addition, if it's applicable to your project, such as a product design contest, you may want to include any hand sketches or graphics that are available, any pictures of crude prototypes that have been made so far. In addition, you may want to include any pre-existing CAD files if you've worked with another design firm in the past. Those may save time for the designers participating in your design contest. In addition, you may want to include similar products that are currently on the market to give the designers an idea of what sort of competition you're looking at and potentially how those products could be improved. In addition, you may want to also include references to products that have an aesthetic that you like. Maybe they're not related to your specific design contest, or they're a completely separate product category, but the aesthetic and the look and the feel of those products is similar to what you're going for. So including pictures of those or links to websites for those or just product names for those, as much information as possible is very helpful. In addition, you may want to choose a contest budget that is generous. Typically, the design entries that you'll receive are proportional to the budget of the contest. Finally, there's software. So for software, it's generally recommended that you leave the software field blank for the best participation and just request neutral CAD file formats if you need a specific CAD software to be able to open the files that are delivered by designers. So if you choose an expensive CAD software package that only 1 in 100 CAD designers use, your participation rate will be 2 orders of magnitude smaller. So typically we recommend leaving the design field blank, or the software field blank I should say, unless you have to have a specific software used. If you need a specific software, you may also want to consider our private project services, since we have a number of vetted CAD designers that could confidentially work on projects at a fixed budget. Any other information would also be helpful, such as a target deadline for your project and other information that would help the engineers and designers understand the scope of your work. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.